The team at How to Trade has devised a framework to get you right in the deep end without that feeling of confusion. And I can say, if I had this when I first started trading, my journey would have been fast-tracked. I would have saved lots of time. I'm talking about the TST framework, which stands for the Triple Screen Trader. It is a series of our automated tools that I will show you how you can download easily onto your trading platforms, which we can then start to use and develop good trading habits right from the offset.
It starts with the reason why we're doing this all. It's that most retail traders really start with no foundation at all. This is the typical journey that you will find a retail trader goes on when it comes to beginning their trading career. I see it everywhere. They'll click buttons, they'll open up a demo account, they'll click lots of buttons. Therefore, when you click random buttons, you get random results. And sometimes, for example, if those random results yielded positive returns, that's false beliefs, and those false beliefs will lead to bad habits. That is not what we want to do here at How to Trade. What we want to do is change that journey more, so we find you a framework that you can follow really, really simply, even with no experience, or even if you've got experience, this will help you in terms of your risk management and your psychology and your confidence. And we start off with a solid framework, the TST framework. With that solid framework, all that does is give us a clear setup filter. Then we just repeat that process constantly. Just keep repeating that, but by repeating that, what we're doing is getting ourselves into good habits. And with that, when it comes to your end of your demo trading journey, should we say, you've got a stronger mental capacity and you've got higher confidence, and more importantly, your strategy ready. That means you're ready to start actually either trading live or trading with a more complex strategy that we can actually use in a disciplined manner.
Think of a trading plan as being your roadmap in the world of financial markets. It helps you make informed decisions, manage risk, and stay disciplined in the face of market volatility. Without a plan, you're simply gambling. Think about it, when I started trading, I had no plan. I blew up my account several times, so I lost all of the account balance. It took years to undo bad habits. But once I created and stuck to a trading plan, my success rate improved dramatically. And we're going to get you to do this from the offset. But getting you to that stage via the TST framework just requires you to learn a few new things, but don't worry, I will explain it in a way that is simple to digest and repeat. This includes how markets turn via support and resistance, 2 simple candlestick patterns, how to manage risk like a pro, and also then how to journal your trades with our easy to use free template. Learning these components will be the main aim of the next set of videos, and by doing this you'll become a trader who has discipline, which can take people several years to develop. So why are we actually doing this? Well, you will see out there thousands of videos on social media telling you this is the best strategy. But the fact is, only 20% of the game is the strategy. 80% of it, in my opinion, comes from the mind and your ability to deal with emotions and always carry out proper risk management. This may be hard for someone to accept who's just starting, but trust me, it's true. Therefore, the triple screen trading method was introduced to help you not just go into the markets and press buy and sell on a demo account, but actually get you following a simple framework and placing risk managed trades. I'll also allow you to feel what it's like to have winners and losers, an integral part of trading as well, but not to feel scarred from losers or get carried away with winners. All of this will get you strategy ready, and that is the goal.
Okay, let's have a sneak peek at the complete TST setup. As mentioned earlier, TST stands for Triple Screen Trader, and it's just a combination of the 3 of the EA tools How to Trade has at its disposal. These tools are called the Pattern Finder tool on this left-hand side, the Support and Resistance tool in the middle, and the Risk Manager tool on the right-hand side, all with very, very important jobs. This is how we lay out the tools on MT4 from left to right, or MT5, and when it comes to choosing what currency we pick on these tools, we need to utilize our economic calendar. To do that, all we've got to do is head over to the How to Trade trading room, and if you click this icon down here, it says Trading News. If you click on that, that will load up our economic calendar. We want to click the right arrow 3 times, and it will show us the next 7 days. And when it comes to the impact, what we want to do is filter that first of all to high impact news. Then click show more. And what that will basically do is show us all of the highest impact news that we've got coming up in the next week. That will mean that when it comes to TST trading, we know what currencies to focus on. For example, right now, we've just had out, at this time 45 minutes ago, retail sales out in the UK. That means emphasis on the pound. So when it comes to the TST setups, what we're looking for is to trade the pound, and that is simply that.
That was your introduction to the TST framework. Trust me, it's going to become the foundation where you start to build your skills, abilities, and confidence from. Getting yourself into good habits may not be something you thank us for right now, but trust me, we're saving you years of trying to get yourself out of bad habits by doing it the conventional way. In other videos, we'll dive into the individual aspect of the framework to learn those key components mentioned earlier. And don't worry, if you don't remember it all, our EA tool will automate that bit of the process for you, which I'm going to show you how to set up in each video. The next video is all about support and resistance. Okay, let's get learning.